what I did was I did a 3-year ceramic coating, and basically the first trip out there to the car is going to be the longest. You're there for a ceramic coating amount of time, 6-7 hours, depending on the paint correction and stuff like that. It was a Tesla, the first one I did. Went out there, detailed it, coated it, and then we sold them on I used to do monthly maintenance, and then I changed it, I tweaked it, and then everyone I sold after that I did quarterly, just because it made more money, made more profit if you went out there less times. And honestly, like, the cars aren't getting that dirty, even if you see them every 3 months rather than every 1 month. So we just moved it to every 3 months. So basically it's a ceramic coating and then a detail every 3 months. So 3 maintenance details and a ceramic coating and the normal detail on the first trip. And you package all that up, and it's $2,500 for the full year, right? So you pay one time. You can break it down and out for payment plans as well. I had a couple people who were on payment plans, but most people just bought it straight up. So it's a certain clientele you're looking for.